Hello, my name is Muhammad Fatur Rahman and everyone usually call me Fatur. I am a student from MEG 106 class. Today I really get to present my video assignment for the English subject midterm exam. The topic I have chosen is relevant to my daily life, job and responsibility. As you can see, I'm currently in the meeting room at my workplace. This is where my team and I usually meet to talk about important project or plan. We use this screen to show our ideas or progress project. And this whiteboard is great for quickly writing notes or drawing out a plan. This place really fit the theme of job and responsibility. I picked this topic because I'm a working student, so I deal with work and responsibility every single day. I think it is important to talk about how we handle our duties at work and at school. This topic is not about theory, it is about my real life. So, what does job and responsibility means? A job simply something you get paid to do with specific tasks you have to finish. My job, for example, is being a sales administrator at an IT company. And responsibility is making sure you finish two tasks well and on time. It means you are accountable for the result. If I do my work correctly, the company benefits. If I make a mistake, it is my fault and I need to fix it. Being responsible requires being careful and paying attention to small details, especially when handling company paperwork. And now I want to talk about my job and my main tasks. My main task is handling all the paperwork for project from the very beginning until the end. When the sales team find a new opportunity, I step in first. I help write the solution proposal. It is like detailed plan for the client. Next, if the client agree, I prepare the official quotation or price list. Quotation or price list. Then, when the project is running, my responsibility becomes managing all the necessary documents. This includes paperwork like convert CV or prepare for the handover document when the project is finished, and creating final invoice so the company can get paid. The most important responsibility is that I must track and update every single step of this process in our company system, the CRM. If I forget to update the CRM, the team will not know the current status, and that is a big problem. Being in admin means I have to be very responsible for keeping everything organized and up to date. To sum up, my job as a sales administrator really shows how important responsibility is. My duties are all about making sure the administrative work is solid, which helps the company's success. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope you now understand my take on job and responsibility in the real world. Thank you. Have a great day.